Are you still manually copying form responses into spreadsheets? Stop wasting hours on data entry. Here's how to autofill your sheets from forms in under 3 minutes. Today, we're going to be using Google Forms and Google Sheets, two free tools that you already have. By the end of this tutorial, every form submission will automatically appear as a new row in your spreadsheet. No manual work required. Let's get started. First thing we'll do is we'll open up our Google form and we'll click into the responses tab at the top. You'll see a green sheet icon and we're going to click that. Okay, so we have our lead form here. We have our lead opt-in, has our name and our email. We're going to click responses. And over here, we're going to click this button that says link to sheets. And we're going to create a new spreadsheet. But if you already had a spreadsheet created, you can also click select existing spreadsheet and you'll be able to choose from the drop down a different spreadsheet that you want to use. Now we're going to click create and we're going to create a new sheet. It's going to pop up for us. And here, it will host all of the information of all the responses that we've had in the past for our lead form that we just came from. Now what happens here is when somebody submits a lead form, it'll automatically add to the spreadsheet. You will not have to manually do it. It'll give us the timestamp, the email address, the name of that person, and their email, because these were the entries that we had on our form. Now, if I submit a test form, which I can do, I'm going to click the responder link. I'm going to open it up in a different spreadsheet or a different browser. So now if we submit this, I'm going to put test in the test at gmail.com. I'll click submit. It says our response has been recorded. If we go back to the spreadsheet, we can see that this response with this dummy data was recorded. So this will happen every single time moving forward unless you disconnect your spreadsheet from your lead form in Google Forms. And that's it. Now, every time someone fills out your form, whether it's a lead capture form, a survey, or an order form, the data automatically populates your spreadsheet in real time. No more copying, pasting, and no more misentries. Your form data flows directly into organized rows and columns, ready for you to analyze and export. This works 24/7, even while you sleep. Do you want to learn more automations like this? Then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side hustle. The link is in the bio and the description. Build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. See you soon.